Greetings viewers, this is Sanvi, welcoming you all to the closing ceremony of Delhi Public School Rudrapur MUN 2025. Today marks not just the final day, but the grand celebration in our school. After 3 days of powerful debates, thoughtful resolution and cultural exchange, we now come together to honor the achievement and spirit of our young diplomats. We are privileged to have with us our esteemed chief guest Mr. Pankaj Upadhyay, Additional District Magistrate, Udham Singh Nagar, along with our guest of honor as Mr. D.K. Sharma, Vice President, Bar Council of India, Ms. Meena Diopa, Additional District Judge, Mr. Naresh Durgapal, Municipal Commissioner, Rudrapur, Dr. Sahil Singh, Ambassador Strategic Partnership and UNSDG, Mr. Asif, Special Envoy of the Secretary General and Chief of Protocols of the Intergovernmental Institution, Mr. Vinay Makin, Center Head Island, Dehradun, Mr. Ashok Agarwal, MDKLA, Foods and a Rotarian, whose presence added grace and inspiration to this occasion. The ceremony commenced with a vibrant band performance, setting the tone of energy, enthusiasm and harmony. Just as the notes blended together, so did the ideas and voices of our delegates over the past 3 days. Our Honorable Chairman, Shri Surjit Singh Grover Sir, extended a warm welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Pankaj Upadhyay, Additional District Magistrate, Udham Singh Nagar, and to the guest of honor. Through the symbolic gesture by presenting the saplings, our respected principal addressed the gathering, sharing words of encouragement and wisdom. And then came the much-awaited moment, the prize distribution ceremony. Delegates from every committee were recognized and honored by their vice chairs and chair for their exceptional performance, diplomacy and dedication. We express our gratitude to all the delegates who debated with conviction, the mentors who guided with care, and the guests who inspired with wisdom. This closing ceremony is not an end, but a beginning, a reminder that the spirit of diplomacy, collaboration and leadership must continue beyond these 3 days. And above all, heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chairman Sir, Shri Surjit Singh Grover, Vice Chairman Sir, Shri Harman Singh Grover, along with our Head Administrator and School Counsellor Manmeet Ma'am for guiding the staff and students of the town. It has been an honor bringing you the coverage of this unforgettable journey.
In your views, how important is it for students like us to engage in global issues?
It's very good platform. MUN is just not for the conference. It has great aspect in today's time. You can have UN experience live, and then you can, in future, you can be future leaders, ambassadors in UN. You can have more things you can do here. And when it comes to impact, it shows a great impact on students' life.
Good evening, ma'am. Welcome once again to our school. Can you please tell us any particular achievement that you are proud of?
मैंने इसे ज्वाइन किया तो आई वॉज फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी। मैंने देखा कि बच्चे कितने एडवांस बच्चे यहाँ पर हैं, कितने सारे मल्टी टैलेंटेड बच्चे हैं, कितना स्किल डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, ये मुझे यहीं पे आके पता चला। और मुझे लगा कि कितना मतलब आज की जनरेशन कितना आगे बढ़ चुकी है, कितना डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, और ख़ास तौर से DPS बच्चों को पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, स्किल डेवलपमेंट के लिए किस हद तक काम कर रहा है, और कितना पेनफुल यहाँ का, कितना पेन ले रहे हैं यहाँ का स्टाफ। तो मैं आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल।
अविश्वसनीय छोटे बच्चों ने, बड़े बच्चों ने जो कार्यक्रम दिखाया है, ये एक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय लेवल का कार्यक्रम था, और मैं इसके लिए आप सब बच्चों को, यहाँ के स्टाफ को और सुरजीत सिंह को और प्रिंसिपल को बड़ी बधाई देता हूँ।
Firstly, I would like to thank all the staff, management who invited me here. It's my privilege to be a part of the model United Nations, and I'm especially thanks to all the staff and members who invited me. It's a very exciting moment, very happy moment for us. Thank you, DPS.
12th स्टैंडर्ड्स के बच्चों के लिए ग्लोबल इश्यूज पे डिस्कशन करना, लर्न करना और शेयर करना, इट वाज वंडरफुल। थैंक यू।
When I was a bachelor student, I don't say school student, when I was a bachelor student, it was the first time I went to the United Nations, New York. So there someone invited me for a talk. I went there, had a talk. I understood what world is. So over the 3 days of your continuous MUN, you might have understood how people are, what are the pressing issues, what you can do, what contribution you can do, what your institution can do. So this is a learning you get.
Congratulations to every delegate. May you carry the flame of leadership forward. This is Sanvi signing off. Thank you for joining us.